Hi. See, last lecture we learned about the human male reproductive system. Right? In this lecture, we have to learn about the male female reproductive system. See, in female reproductive systems, it is a pair of ovary is there, a pair of oviduct, urethra, vagina. See, these are a main parts. See, we have to draw first of all diagram of female reproductive system. Okay. See, now we have to draw the oviduct. Okay. See here, ovary, this is a ovary. Now, see this is a ovary. Okay. See we are calling the, here is a small ova will be formed, and see this is a ovary, this is a oviduct, oviduct, or we are calling the fallopian tube also, fallopian tube of oviduct. Next, this is a urethra, urethra. See, uterus, uterus. See, this is a vagina. Okay. See, these main four parts is present in your book. Now we have to see the. See, this is a endometrium. See, I will show here only. Endometrium. Okay. In female reproductive system, it is a four parts is there. A pair of ovary. Okay, a pair of oviduct. Next, urethra, uterus. Next, vagina, vagina. See, these four parts is there. See, we have to learn about the four parts here. See, one is a vagina, urethra, oviduct. See, this like ovary. Okay, what said in female reproductive system? Generally, every month. See, we have to see that here ovary is there. Every month, a ova is releasing from ovary to oviduct. See, every month 28 days. In 28 days are releasing the see ova. See this like ova is releasing in oviduct. See here oviduct releasing and it should be see for example we have to see the here is a releasing the ova. See this like moving here. Here came the ova. The ova should be if available the sperm and the ova will be fusion with sperm and it will form the zygote. Unfortunately, see ova is not fertilized here. What will happen? It will be coming with it along with the blood vessel outside. See uterus also is there. See here only the implantation of the see this is zygote, implantation of the baby. Endometrium also this like present and ovary. Vagina is a external part. See here every month of ova. Here is a cilia is there. The cilia is a pushing the cilia क्या करते हैं ऐसा पुश करते हैं. See cilia is a pushing the ova towards the fallopian tube, they to uterus, they to vagina. See this slide, it is a female reproductive system. See here alternately these parts, this female reproductive system is present in the abdominal cavity. See this is the thoracic cavity. See below the it is a abdominal cavity is present. Next we have to see the gamete formation. Next we have to see the gamete formation. See how the gamete is a formation. See what say both gametes sperm or ova are formed by the meiosis. We already learned. See both the gametes is formed by the meiosis process. See the sperms are produced in the testes. Sperms are produced in the testes. Ova is produced in the ovary. And what said the maturity? See we have to see the already learned in 8th standard. Reaching the age of adolescence, puberty. See, we already learned about the puberty. See, this puberty will be formed. See, in a teenage group, 13, 14. See, this age group we are getting the. See, this is a puberty. We have to see the so many external changes also occurring male and female. Means girl and boys we have to observe. See in girls is a breast is developed, voice is changing. See so many changes is occurring. Their sweat glands is active, sebaceous glands also active, pimples will be formed on their surface of the face. See so many changes is occurring and in boys also it is a pimples is forming. See sweat glands is active, sebaceous glands is active, voice is hoarse. See this like so many changes is occurring in the puberty. See puberty. See what said the however in the see it is a sperms is releasing in male. See it is a puberty to start up to death. It will be continuously forming. But in a female, ova is a releasing. Ova is a releasing from 13 years to it is a 45 to 50 years. See in this age group the ova a menstrual cycle is occurring in a woman. See this slide. See after it is a degenerating. See in a woman it is a totally 200 ovules is formed in a fetus stage. What is fetus? 3 months baby growing in mother womb. We are calling the fetus. Fetus stage में एक 200 के अबोव ओवल्स फॉर्म होते हैं. Every month एक ओवम रिलीज होता है. For example, this month is a June month में एक ओवरी से एक ओवम रिलीज हो गया है. जुलाई मंथ से एक ओवरी से एक ओवम रिलीज होता है. Alternatively releasing the ovum from a ovary. See, this is a gamete formation. Next, what said? The millions of immature oocytes is ovary female fetus. Next, an oocyte mature is released from ovary and month from beginning of the maturity up to the age of menopause. See, menarche means it is the first time releasing the ovum. See, we are calling the menarche. Menopause means last. See, it is a menarche and menopause. See, menopause means it is stopping the menstrual cycle in human body. See, it is a menarche. See, it will be menopause is a stoppage functioning of female reproductive system at the age of 45 to 50. It will be stopping. Next, the secretion of hormone controlling the function of the female reproductive system either stop, become irregular, it cause the menopause. See, it is a slowly, irregularly is a occurring the see, it is a menstrual cycle. See, we are calling the this is a menopause. Next, we have to learn about the fertilization. Next, fertilization. Fertilization means it is a gamete, male and female gamete fusion together. It will form the zygote. See, we have to see the if this is a ova. This is a ova. This is the ova. Egg cell. See, this is the egg cell. Egg cell is present. And see, egg cell is present here. See, here egg cell. See, what will happen? See, when I enter the sperm inside a female body. See, inside a female body through a vagina. See, what will happen? See, this ovum, the ova is a fusion here. Ova, I will show here. I will show here. See, this is a ova is it. The ovum or egg cell. See, this like, see, it is swimming. Here is a glands, petroleum glands also is there. It is a providing the some hormones and chemicals, and these sperm cells is swimming. It is a tail-like structure is there. Swimming and moving towards the oviduct. There is a egg is there. The sperm is a entering in the ovum. What will happen if I enter this ovum inside is a enter this ovum, and this ovum is a fertilized with the egg cell, and it will be form the zygote. See this like zygote. Repeatedly is dividing. See this like repeatedly dividing, and it will be implantation here. A baby like structure. Implantation, and see here is a umbilical cords also is there. See attached to here. See, we are calling this is a fertilization. Fertilization is a occurring. We have to see the sperm. Okay, this is a sperm, and this is the middle part, and it is a acrosome. Okay, see this is a acrosome. See this is a middle piece, and this is a tail. Okay. See, this acrosome is a reacting or fusion with the ova. The acrosome is a helping to the dissolving of the this egg cell layer. So it is a dissolving. After it is a entering inside the ova cell, and after fertilization होने के बाद क्या होता है, यहाँ पर बहुत थिक लेयर फॉर्म होता है, ऐसा बहुत थिक लेयर. इट इज ए मोर थिक लेयर, दिस टाइप more and more thick layer. See, should not enter the another sperm inside the ovum. See, it is a egg cell. It will be formed. It is converted into zygote. See, it is a converted into zygote. See, this line is a forming egg cell converted into zygote. It is a fusion with the sperm. And see here. See, we have to call zygote for. See, zygote in this line. See, it is a zygote. Okay. See, here is a form repeatedly division. See, repeatedly division of mitosis, and it will be formed the so many organ system. See, this is a fertilization. From the puberty up to the menopause, 10 to 17 years, the age group 14 to 50 years. The ova is released every month from the ovary. See, out of 2 to 4 billion ova, approximately 400 oocytes are released up to the menopause. See, remaining oocytes undergo regenerate. See, every month is releasing a ova. And see, this is a fertilization. After fertilization, see this line forming.